Hi all, welcome to another vlog of RecipeFever. Today I'm gonna make a very delicious grilled egg sandwich. It is a wonderful breakfast recipe and especially kids will love this. Let's start making the recipe. Switch on the stove and keep some water for boiling. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the flame to low. Then gently add 5 eggs one at a time. Let it cook on a low flame for the first 2 minutes. After that, increase the flame to a medium level and cook it for 10 more minutes. Once done, turn off the stove and transfer the eggs to cold water. Peel the outer shell of the eggs and keep it aside. Next, let's make the masala. Switch on the stove and place a non-stick pan. Add 3 tablespoons of refined oil to it. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 teaspoons mustard seeds to it. Allow all the mustard seeds to splutter. Then reduce the flame to low and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute everything for 2 minutes. Once done, add 3 chopped onions and mix everything once. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Saute the onions until it becomes soft, transparent and lightly brownish. It may take around 10 minutes. After that, add 2 chopped tomatoes to it. Saute them and cook until the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, add 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon dry mango powder, few chopped mint leaves and few chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well and add 3 tablespoons of water and mix it. Saute and cook the masala for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the prepared boiled eggs into small cubes and keep it aside. Now, add half teaspoon of sugar to the masala and mix it well. Then, add the eggs and mix it such that the masala coats well with the eggs on all sides. Once done, close it with a lid. Let it cook on a low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid and mix everything once. Then, switch off the stove. Take some slices of bread and add enough egg masala to each bread slices. Gently press it with a spoon. And then place another slice of bread on top of it. Switch on the grill toaster for heating. Once it becomes hot, place the sandwich on it and close it. If needed, you can add butter or oil to the grill. After 3 minutes, open the toaster and carefully remove each sandwich from it. Repeat this for all the sandwich. If you don't have a grill toaster, you can toast it on a pan as well by applying little butter to it. The very delicious grilled egg sandwich is ready to be served. If you want, you can add mint chutney or tomato chutney to the bread slices before adding the egg filling. Either way, this sandwich will taste super delicious. Do try this recipe at home. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications on new recipes. Hit the like button and share my videos to your loved ones. For more details and tips on the recipe, see the description box below. Visit my official website to get the full recipe. Also, share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section with me. Thank you for spending your precious time watching my video. Have a nice day.